When we watch the movie, we are shocked by the realistic scenes and pictures. Kids may wonder how the film frames on the screen can continuously change. Now let's explore the mystery of film and also make your film projector. Is it amazing if the still images on paper move like the animation? A film strip can make a wonder. Use your film strip to make an animation. Mona Lisa is a world-famous painting, especially her charming smile enchants so many people. Can you imagine that she laughs aloud or cries? Now we can see it in the experiment. Now we will make a dinosaur. But it is special. It will keep its eye on you whenever you move. Let's do it now. Before we start to explore the miracle of visual sense, we'd better to know the secret on our eyes. Do you wonder how our eyes see the beautiful world and millions of wonders? Let's start it. If you are told that what your eyes see is not true, do you agree it? But it is indeed correct. Your eyes always trick your brain and make the illusions. Do you want to experience the Jastrow illusion? Do you want to feel the magic arrow? Do you want to grasp these magic skills? Now let's play with this cool magic. It is a fantastic cube. When you move the cube and look at it, you will see a concave-shaped cube become a convex cube. Now feel the magic. There are two same size of objects. Why put them in the same house? You will see one is bigger, the other is smaller. Now bring your doubt, let us go into the magic haunted house, and see what funny things will be happen.